It's a weird mug, though.
What's he say? Hi, I am Baymax. I am your personal health provider.
Ah.
Come on. Today on our Route 66 tour, part of the series I'm doing, I'm in Barstow, California. And though this wasn't one of our planned stops today, I saw trains. And we gotta go explore trains. That's just all there is to it. I think this is an engine, so it'd be engine 6307. I know everything's locked up and mostly closed because of COVID, but we're peeking the window, see what's in there. Very cool, because that's where the engineer sits. I don't know if you guys can see in there or not, but that's what it looks like inside the train. Yeah, that is my son. Yeah, Alex. Look at these people, they just come out here and write their name on the train. Who would do such a thing? All of this stuff we're looking at today is actually a part of a real working train station, which I'll go take a picture of in a minute. Barstow Harvey House. Harvey houses were legendary in the history of Western rail travel. Operated by Fred Harvey in conjunction with the Santa Fe Railway, the network of restaurant hotels set a new standard in quality meal service. Barstow's Spanish-Moorish Casa del Desierto opened in 1911 and closed in 1971. It was registered as one of the last and finest remaining examples of the West's famous Harvey houses. Okay, so that was a quick stop to look at choo-choos, but we are moving on, and I'm going to be passing Alex now. There he is, right there. That's my kid. Anyway, we're moving on to the next stop on our Route 66 tour. Roy's Cafe on 66, but it's still looking like everything in California is closed to eating inside. This is Barstow Station. Most of you have probably seen it. They took a bunch of old dilapidated train cars, hooked them together. There goes another train. Added restaurants to them, gift shops, and made this fun little stop to go to on your way to Vegas from California, or on your way to California from Vegas. Let's go inside and look, because I need to use the bathroom. Kind of a neat little place though. Gift shop. You can buy all kinds of weird things. Oh, the restroom's exactly where I was going for. So like I was saying before I jumped out to buy the bathroom, this place is really cool. It's got gift shops. Whose license plate is that? Mine?
Mine.
Oh, Alex said he found his license plate. Dork.
I know.
Anyway, they got like a little food court going on in here. We're not gonna stay, because I just came to use the bathroom, but then you can buy your lottery tickets in here. Pretty cool, huh? Those are some really big knives. Right next to all the toy cars. There's one of the trains. You go into McDonald's and get your food and you can go in there and sit down, but everything's closed right now. All right, so that was Barstow Station. We still got a little ways to go. Get in the car. See you soon. Okay, so this wasn't part of the plan, but shit happens. You're at Disneyland.
I'm here to find a mouse.
Mouse? What are we gonna do with the mouse?
I don't know, I have some rotten cheese for him.
I guess it's a good thing I'm not a Disney vlogger because I wouldn't stand in this line all day. Nope. Nope. This is Disneyland. Okay, so we're in Disney, downtown Disney right now. Alex Plennert had made a good point. We only had to be socially distanced to get in here. But look down there. There's a huge crowd of people down there, not being socially distant. Try to be not socially distant while you're waiting in line to get in here, and they'll bark at you though. All right, stopping real quick to have a bite to eat. There's a lot of people here. They're having a thing right now called a Touch of Disney, which is an event they're having just before they open up at the end of April. So I'm gonna get some Mexican food, and then we'll do some exploring. They call this place the happiest place on earth, but all I hear are screaming children. That doesn't make any sense. Anyway, we've made our way over to Tortilla Joe's for lunch, and I'll probably order my usual, which is everything with extra sauce.
Two cheese enchiladas and a chicken tamale.
Ah. I got a pork tamale, a cheese enchilada, and a beef taco. And I'm gonna grub. So basically, I drove all the way to Disneyland for dinner. Mexican dinner I could have had in Vegas. Though this was really good, Vegas is better. It's kind of dark, so I don't know if you'll be able to see this, but for 3 people to eat here today was $100.21. Not bad, but in Vegas it would have cost like 30 or 40 bucks. So, Disneyland, California. In downtown Disney, I'd have to say this is my favorite shop to go to. The home store. These little tea kettles are porcelain. I'm going to break it in a minute. It's $34 for that. That's not bad. It's got a Mickey Mouse on the top. Very cool. Your spaghetti will never be the same again. Unless you get a Mickey Mouse colander. This is what you get if you burn dinner. That face right there. I have just met you, and isn't that special? Does it wipe off? Now that's what I'm talking about right there. That's the coffee cup for me. Sure. Just a regular Disneyland Resort cup. Yes. Alex said this has my name on it. My name is not Dad.
It is to me.
Alright, do that again.
Fancy.
I think this is the coolest coffee cup I have ever seen. The Sorcerer's Apprentice, and look, the broom to stir your coffee sits on the edge of the cup. That is dope. How much is it? $22.99. But this one's cool too. This is like the original Toy Story when it first came out. That is so cool. I think all the regular coffee cups are like 15 bucks. Yeah.
20 bucks.
No, that was $20.
There's Mr. Potato Head.
There's Mr. Potato Head.
With a removable
Aliens. Here's the cup for Nick. I know Nick would love to have that. This is a cool cup because it's a cup that's made to look like a bunch of cups stacked on the saucer. And look who's inside it. That's really cool. Disney has done it. They have made the official Mickey Mouse sink stopper. That is too funny. In front of the home store in downtown Disney, they have water bowls, hydration stations for your pets. That's really cool. Disney Tales. Man, it's like Fremont Friday up in here. There is a lot of people in downtown Disney. And I still have to drive home. Yay me! Alright, so it's 8 o'clock at night and the parking lot show is still happening. It is still an hour-long wait to get in here. Enjoy yourself. I'm going home. Alright guys, that's it. Hopefully we'll stay in focus. That's the end of our Disney adventure this weekend, which wasn't even supposed to be a Disney adventure. Drove all the way here to have food. It was Alex's evil plan. Anyway, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Click the subscribe button and the bell notification. I'll see you guys next time.